Hi guys, welcome to lesson 1.6, distributing your screencast. So once you've made your screencast, you've edited it, there's a couple ways to distribute it or to deliver it to students or have students deliver it to you. It just kind of depends on which of those ideas or projects maybe you're working on. Inside of Loom, which is what I'm on here, the easiest way is to simply copy this link right here, and you can do that by clicking copy link. And then anyone here, you see the permission is anyone with the link can see your video. Then you could distribute or drop that link into Google Classroom or in an email or in a website or whatever it happens to be. You can also change the permissions here. If you're going to put it in some sort of public setting like a website or maybe an email that would get forwarded that you would want someone to have, although they'll still have the link, you could switch it over to public. But most of the time, if people have the link, it's not a big deal. You can also add a password to the video if you only want people with a specific password to be able to view it. So from Loom, you could download or copy the link and do it that way. I will oftentimes download the video and then take that video and use it then in my Google Drive, either upload it to YouTube or other things, but you definitely can do it directly out with just a link, which is probably the easiest way. Screencastify actually makes it a little easier to distribute those, and you can use here. It automatically saves in your Google Drive, and so you can get to it from your Google Drive. You can also copy a shareable link, and you'll see there it said enabling link sharing. So it automatically changes the permissions inside of your Google Drive because it's connected with it. So there's your link sharing options there. You can also sort of change the settings there, and here's the same Google settings that we have with lots of our Google Drive things. A lot of people like this share to classroom option, where from this you can directly share to the classroom. It's going to link here to my Google Classroom, and then I can choose which of my classes I want to directly share that to. And I can also then, in choosing an action, I can also create an assignment, ask the question, make an announcement or materials directly from this, and it will automatically post that inside Google Classroom in that format. When I make an assignment, it'll ask me about due dates and that kind of thing. It'll take me to the normal Google Classroom interface. So that's a pretty sweet option if you're thinking about using it with Google Classroom. Also, if you want to publish it to YouTube, you can also do it that way if you've got a YouTube channel or things that you have kids following. So there's a lot of different distribution options between the two tools. Again, you pick the one that's best for you and the one you think would be the easiest for you and your students to work with. So that's how to distribute your screencast.